Alright, so for this video, we're going to use Meguiars wheel and tire cleaner. So this is going to be a review on this particular product. I'm going to do what the directions say. However, I don't think I'm going to use agitation. So what we're going to do is we're going to, first we're going to spray down the alloy as this says. It just says spray it thoroughly with water, so we're going to set this to not full action because we don't want stuff going everywhere. We're going to go to gentle shower. Kind of give it a nice mist. I'm not super focused on the tire, but you know, for the heck of it, just because it's so dirty, just give it a nice rinse. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we're going to apply this wheel and tire cleaner on the wheel. One thing you'll notice that I'm pretty sure it'll probably do it now, but this has a really interesting reaction with tire cleaner. Or tire shine. I don't know what it is, but it has an interesting color that comes up. This is not an iron remover, I don't think so, and it doesn't have the type of chemicals that will really change color if they react with any iron particles or any fallout. So it's not necessarily a super interesting thing to watch. We'll spray this on the wheel, and I'll show you guys kind of the results we get. Alright, so we just pretty much saturated the whole wheel with the soap and tire cleaner. One thing I do want to mention is this bottle will last you a really, really long time. I've cleaned this car probably 5 times with this bottle, and I literally use this stuff too. Of course, if you miss spots, you can kind of spot it out. That's the beauty about spraying the wheel down at first, is you'll definitely be able to see kind of where those definitely dirtier spots are. But as you guys can see, we have this brown reaction at the tire. I can't necessarily explain what that is. I'm assuming it may have something to do with the tire shine, but yeah, no reactions with brake dust really. Of course, it's, you know, theoretically it's cleaning everything. You can't get a clean unless you're using a really strong wheel cleaner, which this is kind of moderate. This is definitely no strong wheel cleaner, but you can't get the type of finish without, you know, agitating it physically, and we're not going to do that for the sake of the video. Most wheel cleaning videos you'll see, for the most part, they're not really agitating the wheels. So this is just showing you guys kind of just what spraying it on will do. I think we gave that enough time to penetrate. It does talk about just really 30 seconds. That's all you need. So we'll wash it off right now. We'll see what kind of results we have. Alright, so these are the results that I got with the wheel cleaner. I did dry the wheel, but I dried it with my vacuum cleaner. It has a blowing function, I guess you could say, and it kind of blew away all the water. You will see some streaking, of course. We have a little bit of streaking up here. Of course, a little bit of scratching as well. We'll have to definitely be doing some polishing, but as far as cleaners go, it's okay. It's definitely not something crazy, but it's safe for the wheel. I can definitely tell you that. It's not really that impactful. As far as tire cleaning, it did pretty okay as well. It definitely removed all the tire shine that was on there previously. And as far as brake dust goes, I don't know if we can see through there, but the caliper on the rear, especially because this is the rear, I kind of overlook the rear a lot because I focus a lot on the fronts, and I don't see much on the rear. So maybe it probably just took the top layer. I really don't have anything on my finger just from wiping it, but yeah, for all in all, it's okay. It's passable. If you really want to get great results, I recommend just getting a lot of soap in a bucket and just going to town with a mitt, starting from top and then kind of going side to side to side to side and then to bottom. that's kind of my method to doing it. But this is just showing you guys what Meguiar's hot rims, wheel, and tire cleaner is capable of. So yeah, so that's pretty much that. Probably, I don't know, well, you guys will probably be seeing some more detailing videos in the future. I'd like to talk about leather cleaning, and more focus on kind of what the stuff I use, because I use that steamer right there, and I love it, and I want everyone to have one of those, because they're so awesome when it comes to cleaning leather seats. But yeah, so that's pretty much that. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and catch you guys in the next one.